The Benjamin Foundation this year is celebrating its 25th anniversary, and we wanted to do something really special to acknowledge that and engage with as much of the community as we can. We've had thousands of ceramic butterflies made in our 4 corporate colours, and also a plain one, a biscuit baked one, in order that people can actually create their own design and display it here at the Assembly House or Holkham Hall.
So the relationship with the Assembly House and Holkham Hall was really important to this project. It gives us an opportunity to showcase our butterflies in an urban and a rural setting, and for people to see that while they're buying a piece of history in relation to our 25th anniversary year, they can also practically see what that would look like in their own home or garden.
The installations come down in September, and then what we're proposing to do in November time is to have a special auction of bespoke butterflies created by celebrities, well-known artists, and we encourage people to come forward and offer their services if they're in that line of work to assist us with that auction, which would be fantastic.
We've had a lot of sponsors who have been very supportive for the whole process, and we can't thank them enough for the contribution that they're making to this scheme.
We still encourage people to support us by purchasing one, which they can do online at www.benjaminfoundation.co.uk, or they can be purchased from the Forum shop here in Norwich or Holkham Hall shop at Holkham.